It's my birthday and we're going to bake something nice. To use only 2 ingredients, which is egg whites and sugar. I have my cake pan, actually it's called angel cake pan. I'm going to have a tray where I'm going to put boiling water, and then I'm going to need a little bit of butter. I'm going to grease everything inside and yes, so it doesn't stick. So shall we start? It's just so easy. And I'm going to call it 12. It's going to be the 12 cake. Okay, let's go. Actually, it's called Molotof. I'm going to make Molotof. I'm going to use my KitchenAid, extra aid, and I'm going to use this hook. That's what I'm going to use. And it's going to be, these are 12 egg whites. So that's why is my 12 Molotof. Okay, so everything inside. But now I'm going to start by greasing the pan. No need of more butter, so I'm going to add it there. And in the meantime, 12 tablespoons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. And we're going to start whisking the eggs. So mind your beautiful ears. And I'm going to mix the 12 spoons of sugar with the 12 egg whites, and in the little pan I'm having 12 spoons of sugar, just making a wonderful caramel. If you want to make it a little extra special, you can add a little bit of butter and a pinch of salt. Now I have the wonderful caramel, which I'm going to transfer to the bottom of my baking pan. It's golden and beautiful. I'm going to layer the egg whites and I'm going to gently press them. I'm going to add boiling water here. There we go. It's going to go inside. And it's going to. You see what I mean? For 12 egg whites, you need 12 spoons of sugar and let it bake for 12 minutes. Left it inside the oven to slowly cool down, and then 8 hours later. And then you flip it. But please don't do like me. Use a big deep plate so you can hold all of the wonderful caramel that is just absolutely delicious. Look at that. And I have to say, that is absolutely perfect. I'm going to send it, I'm going to transfer it because you will dislike, probably because you, okay, just a moment. Now serve it with love and bon appetit. Happy birthday and bon appetit!
melts in your mouth and it's absolutely delicious.